Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can fix the not enough storage error when using the CapCut Upscaler. In order to do so, here we are in CapCut, and if you're trying to upscale your project and you're coming up with a message that says not enough storage, well, this simply is an issue with the storage of your device. It is very likely that the storage in your device has reached its maximum, and so the best way of clearing out this error is to delete things that are unnecessary. One thing you can do is you can go into your projects in CapCut, and if there's anything there that doesn't need to be there, then you can delete that by hovering over the project, clicking the three dots. Actually, these three dots will only show up if you're hovering over the project. Then you click the three dots and then you can see here where you can delete the project. So that's one thing to consider. Now, keep in mind that when you delete something, it is going to go into your trash. So you're going to want to empty your trash. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to save any space. So we can go and find the trash icon here at the right-hand side. We can go ahead and click on that. We can select what we want to delete, and then we can click this trash can icon here to complete the deletion. So that's one way of doing it. Another thing to keep in consideration is it's possible that there might be some corrupt data. So possibly restarting CapCut might clear the issue. Another thing that you can try is lowering the resolution. If the resolution is too high, then that might also be causing a problem. And you can potentially fix the issue by changing the export location. So if you don't have enough room, for example, in your C drive, but you have an external drive, then you can try exporting to that location as well. But essentially, the best way of dealing with this is to just go through your device and try to delete as much as possible. If you have old files, old programs that you can uninstall, go ahead and go through the process of uninstalling all of that and deleting anything that is unnecessary. And hopefully that will solve the issue of not enough storage when you're trying to upscale your project. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.